All right, where's the Christmas tree? Oh, it's in the corner there, the red and yellow one. The Festivus pole. There we go. Today is Festivus.
Merry Festivus.
There you go.
Can't even open it.
Oh, come on. I didn't pack it that hard or tape it that bad or whatever the hell. Wait, pack it that hard doesn't sound right. Right, Bubba? Sorry.
I'm just trying to open this.
It's hermetically sealed.
I can't believe it's taking me this long to unwrap something.
This is funny.
Ah!
All I did is use that clear tape from Scotch that comes in a little like 99-cent roll.
Yeah.
All right, you know what?
It took me long enough.
I was gonna say get a knife. No knife, even better. It's a box of coal or a box of rocks or what is it? I don't know. We'll find out.
Rock.
It's inflatable. It's an inflatable giraffe.
Sure.
All right, we're a minute and 30, and he just finally got the wrapping pretty much off for that little piece, but that's fine.
It's a 4 cell 18.
Oh yeah, is that what it says?
Yeah.
Here, catch. He actually caught it. Hey, he's opening that one up a little bit with much ease. Probably have to change the connectors on that.
Dangerous.
What is it?
I don't know. It has a warning label on the side.
I think it's the battery for that thing.
I think it is too.
Okay, nice.
It is.
Oh, cool. We're going to be changing
4 cell
connectors.
1350 milliamps. That is a really odd amount.
Yeah, I know, but that's because that's a small little plane compared to most of the other stuff in the other room.
Another battery.
It's the same thing. Probably, I don't know. Could be a thing of glue. It's glue.
It's the same battery.
All right. Now, here's another one here. Another gift.
Give me a sec.
One. Time's up. It was more like 4 seconds there, but who's counting? All right, cool. Happy Festivus from the rest of us. Well, for the rest of us, or however much.
A Festivus for the rest of us.
There you go. Well, you're opening that one a little bit easier. I might have used less tape on that one. I don't know. Or you just found a better place to open her up from.
It's another jet.
What is that?
F-16.
Ooh, an F-16. Nice. All right, cool. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Well, Festivus or whatever. Christmas, Festivus, birthday. All right, cool. Love you, Bubba.
Thanks, Dad.
Yep.
They're not even as big as the Mustangs.
No, they're about the same size, maybe a little bit smaller wingspan, but the length is probably the same. So who knows? They're like 50 millimeter park flyers.
Yeah.
So you should have fun with those. Fly them almost in any little park. Cool?
Yeah.
Was that a good gift or a shitty one?
Yeah, it was good. Thanks, Dad.
All right, cool. Let's go get your other gift, but I would need you to select it.